What's up, guys? I need to come up with a new thing to say. I'm so used to that. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. If you already, make sure you hit that.
Been low on content.
Okay, bye. If you already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you know if I every time I upload a new video. Anyways, I'm redoing this video because I tried filming it last night, but it was so freaking dark, and I don't know why, like, my camera wasn't doing it justice. And anyways, it's the morning time right now, and so I'm just gonna redo this video. But let me get to the point. So if you don't know, or if you do know, I don't know, because I don't really put my business out there, I guess. I moved to California like almost 2 years ago, and I couldn't find a house for like, I don't know, I swear, I don't even remember when we first started looking. Like, it's been like a whole year, and I don't know why I struggled, and I went through 3 realtors. Like, I couldn't find anything. I looked everywhere, but then I got used to like certain areas because I just kind of like adapted to the areas, and I didn't want to go like an hour or like an hour and a half to what I was already like familiar and kind of comfortable with. So it took me a while to find what I like wanted, and I didn't necessarily get like everything I wanted, but you know, I'm still, I guess, like grateful and blessed at the same time. Like, I'm not gonna, I don't want to sound like ungrateful, but it was just, I just wanted a corner house at one point, and then it's a middle house, but I don't really care anymore. It doesn't bother me. Anyways, I bought a house in California, and it took me about a year to find something because I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what the hell my issue was, but I finally found something. And obviously I'm not gonna say where at or like show like the outside necessarily, but I will give like a house tour and everything. And it does have a 3-car garage and a pool, and it has high ceilings. And what was the other thing? Oh no, like, oh, and it's basically damn near 3,500 square feet. It's like right at the mark. And it has solar panels, which is completely paid off because the sellers had to pay it off in order to like sell the house. So I guess I came up on solar panels in a way which I don't even know how they work. Like, I do not comprehend it and understand it. Like, I cannot. But yeah, I gotta like educate myself somehow on it, because I don't know, I just don't get it. But we just got to the house right now, so I'm gonna give you guys like a little house tour, especially if it starts raining too. And we need to go find like a fridge, washer and dryer, and like a tarp or something, because I'll just tell you guys about the pool once I get in there, because I don't want the pool to mess up, because it wasn't messed up, but it was like, it was a different color because of the bark that the previous people put, and so they had to remove the pool water completely and then refill it. So it is, that tire is hella flat. They had to remove it completely, and then they had to, what's it called, refill it. And I don't want to do that because it really does cost a lot of money to refill these pools and stuff. Anyways, let me get up in here. So we'll start with like the entrance. We came yesterday and cleaned, but it was like really, really dark in here. So let's do that. I don't. You're supposed to talk. They'd be like, "Hi, how can I help you?"
Okay. Hi, how can I help you?
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. Anyways, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is gonna be our MTV craze. Okay, to be honest, we filmed earlier, and then the footage disappeared. So we're doing it again. And it was gonna mess up. Better?
Yeah, sure.
If you know but you don't know, I moved to California like damn near 2 years ago, and then it took me a year to try and find a house, and I went through 3 realtors, so it took a while because there was just nothing on the market. Couldn't find anything, couldn't find what I wanted, any of that. Anyways, let's get into it. So I bought a house in California, and I closed on it yesterday, the 28th. Today's the 29th, so it's just not even been 24 hours because I haven't even had access for 24 hours. But we're gonna do a little house tour before we start making changes, basically. I'm gonna start with the downstairs, so when you first walk in. So, oh, you know what? I'm so dumb. You're supposed to be the one to knock, and I'm supposed to...
Okay, let me read
that.
Okay.
Okay, welcome to MTV Cribs. This is my new house. Anyways, when you first walk in, you have like really high ceilings right here. And then this is the stairs that takes you upstairs, but there's also a stairs that takes you to the kitchen. But we're gonna start on this side to get this over so I don't forget. So when you first turn here, you have a little hallway that comes all the way down here. And then, I guess this is open. This is one room, which has all the rooms that are like not the master are pretty much the same size with walk-in closets. But I'm gonna use this room as like edit room, like work room.
Not like she even works as much,
quiet.
but yeah.
Stop, you always have something to say. And then this is one bathroom. They all pretty much have the same countertops and everything, which, yeah. Anyways, let's go. So, back to the ceilings, high ceilings. This is the stairs from here. Now, if you ever walk upstairs and you want to go straight to the kitchen, then you have a stairway to go straight to the kitchen. And we'll go down there when we move up. Stairs to go to the front door, and then to go upstairs. This is my absolute favorite room. Well, not favorite, but one of my faves. And it's like, oh, this house is 5 bed, 3 baths, 3,500 square feet. And it has a 3-car garage and a swimming pool. You can kind of see the pool from here. But this has like all this storage. We plan on putting all of our shoes. And I have a plushie collection, which is like 100 plushies. And we'll put them up right there. And then make a stuffed animal hanger somewhere. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Then all this storage. Let me make sure I turn the lights up so I'll back upstairs. Then when you come to this hallway, you have the bathroom. Damn, my hair's a hot mess.
I told you. It's because we're in the rain.
I don't really care. This bathroom, 2 sinks, literally just standard bathroom, whatever. And then there's 3 rooms upstairs. Walk-in closets. They're all about to be the same size, so I won't show you guys all the closets. I'll just show you the room. So that's another room. And then another room over here. And like, I don't know if
this is just wallpaper, so you can
What have they left in here? Again, walk-in closet room. All the same. But yeah, that wallpaper comes off, but I don't know when we're gonna remove it. So this is pretty much the upstairs, and you just have like a little hallway. It's kind of like all in its own layout. And then when you come downstairs, it takes you straight to the kitchen, which I love the kitchen because I love eating food, but like it won't be an issue for me walking down the stairs because the room's like right there anyways. Like okay, girl. This is the kitchen. The ceilings are like 20 feet tall, so they're really, really tall. And that's one of my favorite things about the house is that the kitchen and the dining room has high ceilings. And we don't have a fridge because someone stole it.
Sure.
And then everything is renovated. Brand new seats. Oh, I was damn near brand new. We had to come back here because we had to measure the fridge to buy a fridge. Because someone stole the fridge. And that has a walk-in pantry. High ceilings too. And then this is basically the laundry room. ugly to be honest, but the rest of the house is pretty cute.
I guess that's the only thing that was not renovated was these.
This I feel like has to go eventually, but like I'm not too picky. Like it's not gonna bother me for a while. And I would want to paint these just so it can
match these.
Yeah, that would be cute. This is where the washer and dryer goes. Might have to make sure.
I'm pretty sure that's it.
Yeah, but there's 7.5 inches. 7.5 inches plus 7.5 inches is 14 inches.
That's 15.
That is not 15. Where did you get
7.5 plus 7.5 is 15. They're probably 7.5 inches tall.
Oh.
Not wide.
Yeah, I'm learning how to measure things. Anyways.
I'm not gonna go way out there.
Wait, I'm not either. This is a 3-car garage. I don't have shoes on. But all that storage right there is gonna get ripped out. All of this over here too. There's a freaking saw machine, which I don't know, whatever. Just 3-car, and then we're gonna epoxy the garage floors. It's already epoxy, like the basic.
Like the rock one?
Yeah, but
It's just dirty.
we want marble. And then the house also came with a fire, came with a fire extinguisher. So it's for sale if anyone wants to buy it. Oh. And this is a dining room. Like I was saying, it has high ceilings, which I kind of want this to be like the living room. So then I can put like the TV right here since it's so wide. And then I can eat my food, watch TV and go over to the kitchen for snacks. And then you come like here.
What did you just say?
I meant to say watch TV and eat food, but the first thing that came on my mouth was eat food.
So you want to watch TV and eat food in here?
And then the kitchen's right there, so I don't have to walk that far. But I meant to say that, and then my first thing was eat food, and I was like, okay, fat girl. This door takes you out to the backyard.
We'll go out to the master bedroom.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get my shoes on.
This is the living room, I'm sorry. But yeah, we'll probably keep this as a living room, and then we'll make that like the dining room. But this is technically the living room, which super duper nice. I like it. And all this is renovated too. I don't know how to work the fireplace.
Oh, it's right here.
You know more than me. I guess I just, this thing. Yeah, I don't trust myself teaching you that. Is it fake? Oh my god, that's so cool. Closet is just a storage room. Like, put your junk in there if you want. And before I enter the master room, the house does have a solar system.
30 panels.
30 panels, yeah. And to be honest, I didn't know anything about solar systems. So when we first found the house, they were like, is the camera on me or is it down?
It's on you.
Oh. To be honest, the people that were selling the house, they owed about $50,000 on their solar system, and I was not about to take over that loan or pay it off. So they paid it off, so now we have a fully paid off solar system. Whatever. And then this, I don't know, maybe I'll put like a picture.
Some pictures here.
I'll put like a picture of my coochie right here. Picture of Juju eating my coochie.
Okay, Alyssa.
I don't know how to do lights. This is the master room, which earlier on in the video that we did make,
We pulled this wallpaper
We were
off.
ripping the wallpaper off, and she accidentally broke the, what are those called? Plug-in thingies. It broke, but like whatever. But this part, we're gonna need like a ladder.
So we need to just finish pulling it off, and we lost that footage.
This is the master, and then you come into the master bathroom.
I wonder why there's no door here though. That's weird.
It doesn't matter. This is the master bathroom. Renovated. Boom, boom. This is the shower, which like in the shower, so you also have to clean it. But yeah, the door opens like this, that way, and then that way. And I really like that seat thing because then like I can kind of like just lay there and get my coochie on the shower. So like I just OnlyFans coochie eating content coming soon. I've never said I had an OnlyFans on YouTube like in a video. Except in my OnlyFans. Anyways, this is a walk-in closet of the master, and it's pretty big. I just like all the storage. Like that's like my favorite, which I don't even know what I would put in here.
Yeah, because our clothes is not that small. Looks like it just sucks in underwear.
Well, no, but then that means we don't have to get a dresser for in this room. like the one that's in the room right now. We just have to get like the side dressers.
Yeah, like, but we have way too much clothes. They definitely don't fit in here.
Yeah, but we can see how it's gonna fit.
Oh, I guess we can hang our jeans
yeah.
like off these and then off this. So jeans.
Yeah, but then
our jackets here, but we have way too many jackets.
Yeah, but we're gonna go through it.
Well, that's your section.
Why did you choose just for my section? Because that section's bigger.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Where?
Look, all that bigger storage. I think you can take these out and make them wider though.
Yeah, I think so too.
I don't know.
Looks like it's just socks and underwear.
We'll just figure it out. Not like I have that much underwear.
Oh, let's go get our shoes so we can take them outside.
Go to the backyard door?
Yeah, sure. She just got a new fence.
Yeah, because to be honest, after the house went into contract, there was like a little mini storm, which not like a real storm, but it freaking, I don't know, I guess it just knocked the fence down, but they had to pay for it and fix it. I didn't, thank God. They had it. Anyways, can you come back here? It's pretty spacious right here though. It is pretty wide. You can put a lot of it. It has a swimming pool, which is 10 feet deep, I think. Maybe I should measure it right now.
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm gonna measure it. Oh, and this has LED lights
built in it.
all
see them at like the bottom.
In the pool down there. And then the people, the sellers, the previous owners, I guess, they put this brand new bark in, and I don't like it. Like we plan on finding someone to just remove the bark, honestly, and then put probably like fake grass, easier to maintain. Like I'm not mowing no grass, so I'm not doing that, just because I don't know how. But yeah, the pool is 10 feet deep. Oh, and it's salt water, so there's no chlorine. I'm trying to see how deep it is. See if they lie to me. This is not 10 deep, dude.
Are you serious?
Hold it.
No, but this is a 25-foot thing.
Yeah, hold it though.
It's not all the way down either.
I don't know. It's probably like,
I don't know.
well, that's not the deep end. The deep end's perfect. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I just thought this tape measure to measure the fridge.
Anyways, this water is also new because this pool did not pass inspection, so they had to like empty this pool out and fill it up because this bark that they put got all in the pool and they couldn't see through it. So that's kind of why we have tarp right here, because we just picked up some tarp to cover.
Oh yeah, that's why the tarp's on.
Yeah, we just picked it up like 10 minutes ago and to redo this video because Alyssa lost the old footage. But it's just holding down the bark so it doesn't fly back in and we gotta refill it ourselves.
We're gonna have to. Damn.
Trying to see what was on your neck.
The hickey you gave me?
I didn't do that.
Anyways, we'll probably make more videos once we like get things. I'm gonna order a fridge and like stuff today and get that delivered by like this weekend because it says like the weekend here. And then
she doesn't want to show you guys the outside of her house because she doesn't want anybody knowing where she lives, even though she moved like to a random ass city that nobody really knows. So you guys probably won't be able to see the outside of her house.
But the outside's cute.
Yeah, it is. It's cute, but
I mean, if the inside was cute, the outside's cute. But anyways,
let me put this coat in so I'll turn it on you. Okay?
You're not holding it. There's no HOA in this neighborhood because I'm not playing with that HOA. I don't have time for that. And then there's no front neighbors. Sadly, we have side neighbors, but like I don't care about what neighbors gotta say anymore because if you know,
can you hold
the issues we had in the rental with all these goddamn Karens, like, bruh.
Okay.
I'm gonna have a story time of how they wanted the city to take my car and they did get that. They did get their way on that, but not fully their way. I'm gonna tell you guys a story time about that.
Show a little bit of outside out. They're not gonna find it anyway because it wasn't on Zillow or anything.
Oh yeah, I wasn't. I don't. Okay, hold on.
Right, just show right here.
What was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. Just don't show like the front.
I won't.
I don't want to deal with anything. We're definitely gonna keep the palm trees because
we are cutting this tree.
Yeah, someone told me they were expensive, so you gotta keep it. Trees kind of cover the house and you can't really see it. Oh, and repaint the house because the house needs to be like a bright white.
Oh, we only got a minute.
Okay, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.